look at the extended forecast for Monday. Partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny.
What is it now? SVR. Good morning.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, Butler, and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania until 10:30 a.m. At 9:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Franklin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Grove City, Franklin, Clarion, Knox, Ramsburg, Cigar Creek, Slippery Rock, Chicora, Seneca, East Brady, Harrisville, Parker. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 108 and 116. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 20 and 66. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.